Good day, everyone. My name is Dr. Dan, and welcome to God's School of Mathematics. So we have this question in a triangle ABC. Side C equals 8.44 centimeter. Side A equals 7.92 centimeter. Angle B equals 151.3 degree. Calculate side AC. Now let's sketch the angle. So this is a triangle. This is angle B, which is an obtuse triangle. We have obtuse angle 151.3 degrees. If this is angle A, yeah, this is angle C. So if this is angle B, then this is side B, right? The side opposite it. If this is angle A, then this is side A. This is angle C. This is side C. Now, side AC is side B. That's side AC. So what we are asked to calculate is B, side B. Now, you know that you are using cosine rule. When you are given two sides, we are given A equal 7.92 centimeter, C equals 8.44 centimeter, and then we are given angle B, which is equal 151.3 degrees. From the parameters, you are using cosine rule when you are given two sides and the angle of the third side that was not given. We are given side A, we are given side C, we are not given side B, then we are given angle B. Then that means we are using cosine rule, which will be used to find the missing side. And the cosine rule states that B square, since we are looking for B, equals A square plus C square minus 2AC cos B. Now, which means our B square is equal, A square is 7.92 square plus C is 8.44 square minus 2 times 7.92 times 8.44 cos 151.3. Now, our B square is equal 7.92 centimeter, 7.92 square is 62.73 plus 8.44 square is equal 71.23 minus 2 times 7.92 times 8.44 cos 151.3 is, that gives us minus 117.27. Now our B square is equal, we have 62.73 plus 71.23. Minus times minus is plus, which is 117.27, and that gives us 251.23. Now, to get our side B, that will be the square root of 251.23. B is equal, the square root of 251.23 is equal 15.85 centimeter. Thank you for watching. Please do to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you are not a subscriber. You can also follow us across our social media pages at God's School of Mathematics. Till I come your way next time, bye for now.